Hey, hope you're doing well today. My name is John Kirkpatrick with To The Top Marketing up here in Burleson, Texas, just south of Fort Worth. I believe Andrea said to send it over to Morgan. I hope I got that down right. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I just want to go over a couple of quick things here about your website. And the reason I make these videos is a lot of times people don't know who to trust, and there's a lot of shady people out there that do marketing, and I hate that. So the reason that I make these is I give you everything that I would do to help your website rank, and if you want to take this information and run with it, use it yourself, you will improve your website and get more traffic. But if you need help with it, you can reach back out to me and I'll be happy to kind of put together a plan and show you what it would take. So anyways, I want to jump right into it. Don't want to waste any more of your time. I want to go over content, citations, and backlinks. So this is your homepage here, and everything listed is content from everything you can highlight. So all of your pictures, all of your text, that's all content. The couple of tips I would have is you need to add some more content to your homepage. Google really likes to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content, and you're definitely short of that with this, and it's original content, which means it's not duplicate. So if you have this as like a footing in any other page, it doesn't count. So it looks like this section right here is the only content that you have. And adding more content allows you to do a couple of things. So it allows you to add in your keywords. Now, local AC repair expert in Austin, that's not a bad heading. You just want to make sure it's an exact match if you can, and that you're putting it down here as well. So if AC repair Austin is what you want to go after, you want to make sure that it's as close together as possible. So a good way to do that would be local AC repair Austin, Texas residents trust, something of that nature, and that exact match will help you get found. And then also put it in your text down here too. Like I see you're talking about AC repair, air conditioner replacement, but make sure you have AC repair Austin in your text. That'll help you get found. You also can save your pictures as something that will help you get found. So you got AC repair featured. I would come in here and change that to AC repair Austin. And the same with this one. This is replacement. This is preventative maintenance. Make sure you have a city in there, because you don't want to be found for preventative maintenance in Montana. You want to be found for it in Austin. So make sure you let Google know what you're trying to be found for by saving these pictures as keywords. Just as a comparison here, Precision Heating and Air, they're one of your biggest competitors in Austin. And you can see they've got, trusted HVAC technician in Austin, and then they write about it in their text as well. So that definitely helps you get found. And the more content you can have, the better. Most pages on the home page of Google, those first 10 results have between 1,500 and 2,000 words of content. So you definitely want to up that. Second thing I want to go over is citations. So this is Google. You got your ads up here where people are paying to get listed. And then you have your Google Map Pack right here. And then you've got your organic results down here. So the key to getting up here in these top three for when somebody searches for HVAC Austin, you want to have more citations than your competition. So a citation is simply your business name, address, and phone number listed throughout different directories on the web, like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, things of that nature. And you want to make sure that it is an exact match. So say for instance, if this was Stan's Heating, Air, and Plumbing and you were going to go out and get a citation, make sure you don't put air and spell out and plumbing. You want to have that symbol. You want to make sure that everything matches your Google My Business profile in all of your citations. So there's actually thousands of different websites out there that are directories that will give you a citation for free. You just have to go out and get them and get more than your competition. Next, I want to go over backlinks. So this is your website here. I plugged it into a tool called Ahrefs. This tool's about $100 a month. It is extremely helpful, and I highly recommend you get it if you're going to do any of this yourself. So it just kind of shows you where your backlinks are coming from and how your site is performing. So you've got 165 different websites sending you links, giving you or helping you get found for over 1,000 organic keywords, and it's driving 571 people a month to your website. And I would say that your backlinking strategy, you have to be careful where you're getting them from, because Google is smart and they know if you're trying to get links that are just, crap or that don't make sense. Like, don't go get a backlink from a Domino's, for heaven's sakes. They know you're not slinging pizzas. So I think that's why your trust score is so low here. This is kind of like a site strength or how much Google will trust you. So if we go over here and look at your competitors, see they've got a 23. They've got over 1,000 backlinks or 1,000 referring domains pointing to them, being found for 2.3 thousand organic keywords, and their traffic is over 2,000. So if you want to beat them, the simplest way I would tell you to do it is just come in here and click on their referring domains, figure out where they're getting their backlinks from, and just go get them from the same places. A lot of times, a bunch of them are free. They just take time to track down and go get them. So that would be my recommendation there, is click on their referring domains, figure out where they're getting their backlinks from, and go get them from the same places. So that's about all of the tips that I had. I did see that you have your service area pages, and that is definitely helpful, but the only recommendation I would give you on that is just make sure you're matching it identical and you have enough content. So let's check real quick here and see how much content you have on this page, because the more content the better, and that will help you get found. So if we go to a word counter here and plug this in, you've only got 322 words. So you want to have anywhere from 500 to 1,000 on a back page, and that allows you to work in those keywords organically and make sure you can be found for them. So that's about all the tips I had for you. I hope you found this informative and that it has helped in some way. Take this information and run with it if you would like. But if you'd like help with anything, just reach out to me. My number is 469-247-1707, and I can definitely help get you started with a plan to show you what exactly it would cost to help you meet your goals. So with that, I will say goodbye for now. Thank you so much.